Are you tired of being treated like a doormat? If you're an empath, a sensitive heart, if you're someone who gives a lot, you're compassionate, you're kind and caring, yet people treat you like a doormat or they take advantage of you and you're baffled as to why this keeps happening to you, then my encouragement to you is you need to start doing the work on yourself, because blaming others is not helpful for us. And if you are tired of people using and abusing you, then my encouragement is you take steps to understand at a deeper level what's going on for you. And that's why I recommend the Feel Love workshop taking place on Friday the 15th of February in South Kensington, where we're going to look at the 6 factors that we need to address in order to get the love that we deserve. Why not join us? Click the link and find out more. If you've got any questions or heart dilemmas and you need assistance, inbox me. I'll be only too happy to make a video for you. Remember, do take care of you, because if you don't, who will?